Alright, people, got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. Ladies and gents, boys and girls, back with another one. How to make KFC fried chicken. Pretty straightforward dish, really and truly. What I'll recommend with the chicken, just make sure to do your normal seasoning or marinate. Then with the breadcrumb, I'm gonna show you which one it is in a minute because I can't really recall the name. Gonna have to make a little butter with this breadcrumb. Okay, milk and water, depending on the quantity of the chicken that you're gonna be making. And throw everything in there, mix it up, and you should be good to go. It's pretty simple. If you haven't got a fryer, the best thing for you to do is to fill up a pan, with oil. The oil has to be, almost to the max, mid-level, to allow the chicken to fry evenly, just like in a normal fryer. So it's a watch and learn video, so I'd like you to watch and learn. Other than that, make sure to like the video, share the video if it's any useful to you. If it's your first time out here, sub to the channel. We love you all out here and we love your support. If you have any question, drop all your questions right down below. We'll be more than pleased to answer your questions. Let's get down to business, people. Let's do it. Pretty done. It's a very easy and quick step to follow. Okay, make sure not to get burned. Other than that, this thing tastes pretty nice. I'm having it with banana plantain. That's how we do it out here. Other than that, lovely people, we love you all out here and we love your support. Thanks for watching. Keep it safe, keep it late as usual. Let's do it, people. Let's do it. Bang, 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 bang. Peace out. Tasty.